How to change your lock screen wallpaper on your Windows 11 computer. So, in this video, I'll show you how you can change your background image as well as your profile picture. So the first thing we need to do is just go and open up the Start menu, search for Settings, and then click on the Settings window. In the left-hand side, select Personalization and then scroll down and click on Lock Screen. Next to where it says Personalize your lock screen, click on the drop-down arrow, click on Picture, and here you'll find some suggested images that you can go and choose from. If you want to go and upload your own custom image, you can always click on Browse Photos and then just go and select the photo that you want to use for your lock screen. So I'll be using this image here. Then just make sure Show the Lock Screen Background Picture is turned on and enabled. Now to go and change your profile picture, click on Accounts in the left-hand navigation. Scroll down to Your Info, where it says Adjust Your Photo. You have two different options. You can either go and take a selfie using your webcam, or you can upload your own photo by clicking on Browse Files. From here, you can select a photo to use as your profile picture. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you with the next one.